guys. So I have a new subscription box that I had gotten. I thought I only signed up for one, but apparently it's, even though it's 1 month, it's a rolling thing. So I'm getting a second one. It's actually not bad price, especially when compared to Inku Crate. This is all stationery. So first, I love this little, I have opened it and looked at it, by the way. I love this little box. And this is the, it's from PAPERGANG, from Oh Dear, and it's called PAPERGANG. And what they do is every month, they pick one artist, and the artist does a whole bunch of things for them. So like stationery, I'll show you, all kinds of little things. So I love it. It's really cool. I may actually, oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. I may actually, I need more coffee. May actually stick with it because it's really cool and it's a lot cheaper than Inku Crate. It's like, I think it was like, it's from the UK. So I think it was like 13 pounds or something, which ended up shipping in and everything. It ended up being like, I think like 25 bucks Canadian. I think usually pounds is pretty well double Canadian dollars. Yeah. So, I mean, that's a lot less than Inku Crate. Inku Crate's like almost $50 now. So yeah. So what we got, look at this packaging. Look how PAPERGANG works. We think up fun ideas for a new PAPERGANG box. An illustrator creates the designs for it. Their creations are brought to life in stationery form. You get a full box of stationery just like this one, straight through your letterbox. For every 4 boxes sold, we plant 1 tree. And look at this. Hello, stationery lover, when you tear the little thing off. Isn't that cute? Okay. Oh, and this box is also like, I'm going to need to use this as a journal cover. I swear it's so cute. This is decorated by the artist that's featured inside. Love these colors. So yeah, it came with like this cute little paper and little sticker. This says cut me up and fold me up, origami tutorial, link and QR code at the back of the booklet. So they give you a little thing to, a little crafty project with that. Okay, so first, we have a, wait, I'm going to find the paper because I'll tell you the artist name first. That's what I'm going to do. Where's the paper? Where's the paper? Where's the paper? Did I take it out? Oh no, there it is, there it is. All right, so PAPERGANG by Oh Dear. So this, box number 60. Okay, box number 60 by Amy Hastings. And these are her, I've seen her somewhere before. I think I might have seen her in like one of my paper magazines maybe, because her style looks completely familiar. So yeah, I won't get into this too much because it's coloring items. Yeah, so that's just like some little, you know, paper. Interviews and things. And this is a little ad for coffee subscription. Okay. Here's some stickers. 1, 2, 4 sheets of stickers. How cute are those? Look at those. They're gold. Hopefully you can see that reflecting. They're like gold. They have gilding on them. Accents. Isn't that really cute? Very cute. Okay. And there's 2 cards. So happy birthday. Very pretty. Nice quality. It's like a nice heavy quality cardstock. Nice envelope, PAPERGANG. And the other card is go get 'em, Tiger. That is really cute. Love the gold again. Very pretty. And I love that on the back they have like, because you're going to be sending this to somebody so they don't know who the artist is. So it tells right there. Amy Hastings is an illustrator, surface designer, and rug maker with a love for all things pink. Her designs gravitate around color. The bolder, the better. Oh, I like her already. Very cute. Then there's this little notebook. It's got that like satiny soft feel to it. Little elastic closure. This notebook belongs to, and then it's got lots of little lines. And the paper's pretty heavy. It's nice. It's not like sketchbook, but it's actually, you know, decent. So there's that. An enamel pin, which I mean, you'd pay like 15 bucks for anyway. Isn't that really cool? Creative Juice. Little zombie hand kind of thing. And even like the backing card for it's really cute. Very cute. I love how everything is just so on brand. It's all, oh, there's where I was testing these. Little pencil case. It's like a heavy canvas too, with like a heavy cotton cord. Very nice, or rope. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 pencil crayons. And they've all got different little sayings on them. I've got them upside down, of course, right, for you guys. Yeah, all kinds of little sayings. And these are actually, they're not bad. Like, they have pretty good coverage. They're not, yeah, they don't feel like a bad pencil crayon. They feel pretty good. Yeah, so that is, yeah, I was going to straighten those all out, but never mind. This one threw me off kind of thing because it's upside down compared to the others. All right, so yeah, that is the PAPERGANG box. Very, very excited about it. Like I said, I just signed up for one just to see how it was kind of thing. But yeah, I've got another one coming, so that's really cool. Yeah, we'll see how the next one is. I might keep up the subscription. Not sure. I'm kind of hesitant right now because we're moving soon, hopefully, so I don't want to sign up to too many things. Like, I haven't ordered anything off Wish for a while, for example, because, yeah, I'm sure I'll be moved way before it gets here. There. So yeah, it's a for the what you get, the price is really, really good. Yeah. So definitely gives 2 thumbs up. If you like this video, if you could give it a thumbs up, that would be awesome. And if you're not already, please hit the hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell so it'll notify you when I post a new video. Okay, thanks for watching.